Hello everybody, I'm Vihara from grade 2A. I'm going to talk about International Homeless Animals Day. International Homeless Animal Day falls on every third Saturday in August. Animals play an important role in our lives. World Homeless Animal Day provides us a chance to serve animals and to be a part of something different. Every person can celebrate this day. This day is a social movement for improving the lives of animals. Let's see how to observe this day. Donate to a shelter. Spay or nurture our pets. Adopt or foster. Donate to supplies, shelter or rescue groups. We can change the world by helping one dog, but we can change the world by helping that one dog. Be kinder for animals for today, to make a better world tomorrow. Thank you.